I did a quick little recipe video, but now we're at the end of the recipe video and I wanted to show you how they turned out. I didn't want to wait. It was like 2 hours you have to wait or something like that for them to get real hard. It depends on how much humidity you have in your area. I did go ahead and double the recipe because, you know, we go through a lot of detergent with having 6 people in our house now. But this is the container I showed in the video, and I picked this up at the thrift store. I think it was like 99 cents or something like that. This is half of the batch, and I have more right here drying. But this is what they look like, and they get real hard when they're done and everything. My suggestion would be in your dishwasher, while they're still soft and moldable, just try one in the dispenser just to make sure it fits. Mine's a pretty large dispenser, so I knew it would fit fine, but anyway, just you get the idea. And then what I do is I add a little bit of white vinegar in the back, usually about like 1/4 cup worth, and I just toss that into the back of the dishwasher, or you can put it in your rinse agent spot. Our dishwashers, they used one when we got it, and the rinse agent spot is missing the little cap on it, so I just put some in the back of the dishwasher, like in that basin part. One batch makes about 24 cubes. I have about 48 now, a little bit over. But anyway, you get the gist, and they're super easy. They work fine. I have hard water here in Arizona, so I don't see any problem with it. I will get water spots if I don't use vinegar though. But yeah, that's kind of the gist of it. I did do a powdered recipe at one point, which worked really well as well and had some of the same type of ingredients in it. I will see if I can find it on YouTube and link it down below this video in case you would like to do a powdered recipe instead. I was debating about doing a liquid recipe, but I didn't have the time for it, so I just went ahead with these tablets. The other thing I wanted to mention was this is not my original recipe. I do not know who the original recipe came from, so I am not going to take credit for it, and I don't really have anyone to link down below. I kind of pulled from 4 or 5 different recipes that I found online. Most of them are pretty similar. Some use a little bit of Dawn dish soap, but I don't want to do that. We had a bad experience with my son accidentally putting Dawn dish soap instead of dishwasher detergent in, and you know how that works. So I just wasn't so sure about adding any dish soap into my dishwasher. But yeah, they don't really have a smell to them. I mean, maybe a little bit of lemon, but that's about it. And that's what they look like in there, and they're nice and hard. They don't come apart or anything, and I just keep this under my sink. Parker's video bombing in the background. But yeah, that's it. For this recipe, you're gonna need 1 cup of borax, 1 cup of Arm & Hammer washing soda. Both of these can be found in your grocery store by your laundry aisle. You also need 1/2 cup of Epsom salt and 3/4 cup of lemon juice, some wax paper, an airtight container, some sort of scoop. You can even just use a spoon or a tablespoon if you want. And not needed but preferred is ice cube trays.